Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to do bank reconciliation in Buildium, so you can match your accounting records with your bank statements, catch errors fast, and keep your property management finances accurate without the headache. First off, log into your Buildium account and go to the Bank Reconciliation section under Accounting. Select the bank account you want to reconcile and enter the statement date and ending balance. Next, match each transaction in Buildium with what shows up on your bank statement. Check off deposits, withdrawals, and fees one by one. Here's a pro tip. If something doesn't match, look for missing or duplicate entries, or timing differences between cleared and pending transactions. Don't forget, always review reconciliations monthly. It helps prevent small mistakes from turning into big financial issues. Also, once done, print or save the reconciliation report for your records. It's important for audits or year-end bookkeeping. Should bank reconciliation feel confusing? Not anymore. Now you've got full control over your property management finances. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?